What's up, guys? What's up? Andre Coakley here, president of Credit 360, and just wanted to kind of give you guys some little tidbits today with regarding building business credit. I know a lot of you individuals are trying to get your business out and going, trying to get access to business funding, business credit. How we have a little gem today. We have what we call the Walmart Community Card, right? This is the Walmart Community Card right here, and this particular card will allow individuals such as yourself to get access to a net 30 account. Right now, what a net 30 account is an account that has to be paid in full within 30 days. The payment terms to be repaid is a 30-day account. So this doesn't revolve. It doesn't revolve from month to month. All right. However, this can be a very good tool to help with your business to get it established, but to also get you access to supplies, goods, even products for a short period of time. I know this can be a very good card for people who might be in the food industry, where they might to acquire products and goods to do an event. However, they just need a little bit of float to be able to cash flow until after the event to be able to actually pay the credit card back, and this will give you that 30-day window. So some of the features that comes with this credit card, or this line of credit or business line of credit, would be improved cash flow, right? It has a zero annual fee, so it allows you to be able to kind of understand cash flow a little bit more uh, feasibly. And also, they say it has control and flexibility because you can actually set up multiple users if you have multiple employees within your brand. All right. So here it's a 30-day pay in full terms, and it has no annual fee. So let's go ahead and apply for this credit card. All right. So the application is pretty simple. This is the commercial credit application. Now, Walmart and Capital One have united. At one point, Walmart and Synchrony were kind of Synchrony Bank was the credit issuer, but as of recently, they've kind of actually merged and they're doing business with Capital One now. So let's get a little bit of information about this. It says, please fill out the fields below to apply for a credit account. Get more of what you want with the Walmart Community Card and take advantage of the tools to help you work smarter, not harder. Note, any personal guarantor submitted with this application must be the same person as an authorized business representative applying for credit. If additional person guarantees are required, we will contact you. So pretty much what they're saying is you can't apply for this line of credit without necessarily personally guaranteeing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a stab at that and kind of see how this process goes. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out this application, and I'm going to actually see what the results are. All right. So first of all, the application is going to ask you a little bit about yourself, the actual individual or the owner of the business, or what we may consider who's the representative. Okay. It's a pretty simple application. Then the next section is going to ask the business details, the legal name of the business. If you're doing a DBA, you might want to put that there. I'm not going to say you might. You should put that there if you're working as a DBA or you have a different business name. And then the physical address. Now, this is very important. I know a lot of times when we're kind of starting our small business or being self-employed, we might be starting this business off using our home address. But as we grow and as we thrive, we might actually change our business from a home address to a virtual address or even a physical address. Now, if you've changed to a virtual address or a physical address, there's two important things you need to do, which a lot of people forget to do. You need to change your address with the Secretary of State, right? You need to go to your Secretary of State. Make sure you do the address change or actually do that amendment, all right? Or not and I'm gonna say and, right? You also need to contact the IRS and let them know of the new business address. This is very important because a lot of times creditors are doing background checks on not only just the EIN number, they're also checking the addresses, the phone numbers, and things of those sorts. All right. So you want to make sure you have all that in line. You want to put the business phone number, all right, the actual business phone number, fax number. If it's optional, it says optional, but if you have a fax number, put it there. Any details that you can get to let the creditor know that you're a sovereign business is going to be very detailed and very important. All right. The next aspect of course, you want to put your email address. And it's always good if you have an email address that is uh, linked to the actual business with a business domain name. We don't normally suggest a Gmail account or a Yahoo account. Creditors don't seem to take those businesses seriously because they feel like it's a mom and pop brand. All right. If you have a website, put it there. Business type, you're going to put what type of business you are. If you're a corporation, LLC, nonprofit, blah, blah, blah. They're going to ask you, of course, for your tax ID number. Now, one of the requirements for this application is the business has to be established for at least 3 years. However, if your business has not been established for 3 years, you still put in your tax ID information. If they deny you, they might possibly ask you to personally guarantee this account. Now, do you want a personal guarantee? You might, if you're looking for higher lines of credit, but ideally, most individuals who are trying to build a business credit profile are doing it without the personal guarantee because we don't want to have the noose of the business around our neck as the business owner. When the business sinks, we want the business sink. We don't ever want to sink with the business. All right. Only in the movies is the captain sink with a ship. All right. Not with business credit, not with effective business credit. Okay. Next aspect, you're going to put your employees. Now, this is going to be another important part. I see individuals have 10 employees, but the business revenued 250,000. Unfortunately, the employee count doesn't match the revenue count, and I'm not telling you to lie or to actually stretch these applications, but I'm also trying to tell you to use logic. If you have 10 employees and the business only revenue 250,000, it probably lets the actual creditor know that the business probably has more overhead than it has income. All right. So be very careful with that. And of course, they're going to ask what your requested credit limit is. Um, we hear different techniques or different strategies on this. My strategy is, ask for more than what you need, right? Because most likely they're going to give you what they want to give you. It's just like my son. My son's getting ready to go to the mall. When he goes to the mall, he says, "Hey, Dad, I need $100." Um, I might not give him $100, but I might give him 50. But the $100 at least lets me know where his price point is, and then we meet somewhere in between, if so, or I might meet his particular price point if I feel that is warranted. All right. Next section, billing information. This is where you're going to put the personal information for the actual owner of the business. Right. They want to know who's actually tied to the business as well. And then also very optional if you want to add additional purchasers. There could be staff, team members, different individuals who would like to add to the actual credit line so they can have access to this account. So what we're going to do is I'm going to fill this out and we'll be back in 1 minute and kind of see what the results are. All right. All right, what's up, guys? We're back, and I actually just filled out the application, putting in all the personal information for our business. Now, a few things I actually just want to remind you guys. Now, remember, this actually is applying for this commercial application, and it's not actually creating a hard pull or hard credit check to my credit profile. So this is something that, a lot of you guys can actually wind up just, kind of experimenting with without necessarily doing that much damage to your actual profile. However, I do also remind you, once this a card is approved, or if it is approved, it will actually report to Dun and Bradstreet and to Experian Business. All right, and that was verified by them on the phone today. So let's see. You can't see this information because it's collapsed. Collapses all my personal information, but you see by the green checkpoints, everything was filled out. And the other aspect I wanted to bring up to you guys right here, right, where it says provide personal guarantee, right? It says, please provide a personal guarantee. A personal guarantee must be provided for all sole proprietorships, general partnerships, and entities in business for less than 3 years. And it also gives you the option, I'd like to provide a personal guarantee to expedite my credit decision. So if you've been in business less than 3 years, or you're a sole prop or a general partnership, you're going to require to do that personal guarantee. In this case, I am going to put no. All right, and we're going to collapse that back. I'm going to check these two boxes, and let's see how this actual application turns out. All right. I don't know. I got two prompts. One says submitting application. One says an error. I don't know. Let's see how this goes, y'all. I want to close this, but I'm scared if I close this, it might actually close out the actual application. So let's let this thing think as much as possible and see what the results are. A lot of thinking going on. And I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure the decision would have been made by now. Either way, Click this OK button. Let's try this again, y'all. It's giving me an error as well. Guess I'm gonna have to contact customer support, y'all. Things don't never work the way you want them to work, I guess, huh? So I guess we'll see the end results. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this and we'll circle back around. All right, guys. Apparently I could not do it with the Chrome browser, so we're going to try this on a totally different browser. Let me see. Let me collapse some of this information so y'all won't get all my details, because I know y'all nosy out there. You know, y'all want to kind of see what's going on. However, let's see. Again, I did not personally guarantee this. I'm checking the box for the electronic communications disclosure and also the authorized signature. Okay. So let's see. It looks like it is submitting correctly now. Um, let's see what happens. All right. So here it was. We were approved for the credit line. They gave us $15,000 on our Walmart community card. I actually put on the application the requested amount was 20,000. However, I did put that we had a invoice that we are getting ready to fulfill, roughly for the amount of $8,500. Again, we just kind of played these variables. What you would request can be whatever you want to request. However, try to keep it somewhere in the ballpark that's in your credit profile criteria. You don't want to stretch too far and get a total denial. However, you don't want to I guess, understate the amount that's needed, because it would be a tragedy of you getting less credit than what you truly deserve because you understated an amount. Okay. However, I hope this helps you out, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. Hit that like button, subscribe, and anything I can help you guys out with, just comment below or just comment and I'll help you guys out however need be. I hope this helps somebody out. As you see, they are most definitely giving lines of credit, and just to let you know, $15,000 line of credit approval, no hard pull, and with no personal guarantee in the business name. And just to let you guys know, once again, this is a net 30 account, meaning it needs to be paid within 30 days in full. And however, it will report to Dun and Bradstreet as well as Experian Business. All right. Hope this helps you out, guys. Peace.